Unveiling the H2 powerhouse. Ready to experience the future of audio? The Apple AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C are more than just earbuds. They're an upgrade to how you hear the world. Powered by Apple's next-gen H2 chip, these earbuds deliver enhanced audio quality, faster performance, and smarter features, all packed into a sleek, pocket-sized powerhouse. Next-level noise control. With active noise cancellation now twice as effective, you'll enjoy pure, uninterrupted sound anywhere. Transparency mode lets outside sound in when you need it, great for staying alert during a commute. And adaptive audio? It blends both modes based on your environment, automatically. One reviewer wrote, "The way it balances outside sound and cancels noise on the fly is absolutely insane. It feels like sci-fi." Plus, conversation awareness lowers your volume the moment you start speaking. No need to fumble with controls. Immersive sound and hearing innovation. Get lost in rich bass, sharp mids, and clean highs with high-fidelity audio. With personalized spatial audio, sound surrounds you like never before. It adjusts based on your ears and head position. And for the first time ever, AirPods now support FDA-validated hearing health features, including a built-in hearing test. As one customer said, "I was blown away by how immersive music sounds now, like being in the middle of a live concert." Designed for real life. 4 different ear tip sizes mean a perfect fit for everyone. They're IP54 rated, making them resistant to dust, sweat, and water, so you're good to go at the gym or on the go. You get up to 6 hours of listening with ANC on and up to 30 hours with the USB-C MagSafe charging case. Smart features and seamless integration. Misplaced your AirPods? No stress. Precision finding helps you track your case down with ease. They pair instantly across all your Apple devices and switch seamlessly between them, iPhone to Mac to iPad and back again. Swipe to control volume, tap to pause or skip, or just say, "Hey Siri." It's all intuitive and hands-free. What real users are saying, star. From the moment I unboxed them, I could feel the quality. The sound is rich, the case is compact, and they just work. I wear them for hours at a time and forget they're even in. They're that comfortable. Star, it's the first time I felt my earbuds were genuinely smart. They adjust without me lifting a finger. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users mention the mic could be better in noisy areas, and the case scratches easily. But overall, with over 30,000 reviews and a 4.6 star rating, most agree these are Apple's best earbuds yet. Is it your next upgrade? If you're looking for world-class noise cancellation, immersive sound, and flawless Apple integration, the AirPods Pro 2 deliver. Normally priced at $249, they're now just $199, making them one of the best value tech upgrades you can get right now. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Click the link in the bio to buy now.